Alright guys, big day today. We're gonna cut the big hole in the side of the trailer for the fill, for the water fill in the city hookup. It's a big hole, so I made a template. This fits behind there, so that's the hole we need. We're gonna measure and tape it up there, and then we're gonna scribe it onto here. So I'm gonna put it pretty close. Let's get it going here. We got the template. Now we gotta drill the holes. What we're gonna do is drill a hole here, 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 and here. I usually drill all 4. And then take a jigsaw and cut that out. We got the hole, fits nice and tight. We're gonna take the butyl tape and get this thing mounted. After a lot of nerves and 8 screws, finally got this here. So it came out great. From the inside, it worked out great. It's all gonna be behind the composting toilet. Right here's the mark where the toilet comes to. All this will be hidden, but it worked out really well. I'm really excited to have this piece in. It was very nerve-wracking cutting holes in the trailer. Well, now that we have that, we can finish these walls in here and keep going.